Opo, batid po natin at kinikilala po ng Pangulo ang ambag or naging ambag po ni Mayor Magalong at siya po ay tinalaga bilang special advisor. So liliwanagin po natin, ang pagtalaga po sa kanya ng Pangulo ay bilang special advisor at hindi po lead investigator or in any other form na pag-iimbestiga. Hindi po siya naitalaga sa pag-iimbestiga at hindi po at wala po siyang power over the PNP and CIDG dahil ito po ay under
Wala siyang power over the PNP and the CIDG. Oh,
hindi po at wala po siyang power over the PNP and CIDG dahil ito po ay under sa DILG.
the PNP and CIDG helped Mayor Magalong. Information came pouring in. A committee that's not supposed to work was actually working because of the help of people from the government. It was working.